this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix GCash GLoan. Something went wrong, no offer available error. Let's get started. First, check your G-score. Open GCash app, navigate to profile or G-score. Review your score, increase activity within GCash to improve it. Next, use GCash more frequently. Cash in regularly, pay utility bills to GCash, buy mobile load, use QR payments at merchants, send and receive money, save money in GCash services if available, continue for several weeks and check again. Ensure full verification. Open GCash, go to profile, confirm your account is fully verified, complete any pending verification requirements. Check for existing loan obligations. Open GLoan and other lending services in GCash, verify there are no overdue balances, settle any outstanding payments, wait for the system to refresh your eligibility. Also, you can log out and log in back to your GCash. Likewise, check for app update, navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app GCash. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. If none of these solutions works out for you, you can contact GCash support. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.